Good morning, motor styling. Today we start tuning your engine 9J459. All turning good, all compression complete on the front. All looks good, as you can see. On this side all looks good as well. No damages. Compressor looking good. Starter looking good as well. On the top all looks good. The back side all looks good as well. No damages. Gearbox looking good. This side all looks like so. The meter looking good. We have broken plastic here, as you can see, and underneath all looks good. No damage, no good. Turning your engine 9J459. Thank you.